This is an overview of Teamstudio Undo, a configurable design backup and rollback tool for IBM Notes developers. Most Notes developers know to save their work frequently so they don't lose their changes. But what if one of your changes doesn't work how you wanted it to? How can you roll back to a previous version of the design element? That's when Notes developers start to make backup copies of their design elements. But then they get into the dreaded backup design elements problem. Multiple backup copies which put unneeded overhead on the IBM Notes application and can cause build problems. That's where Teamstudio Undo comes in. Undo automatically creates backup copies of your design elements each time you save them. These are stored in the Undo system and allow the Notes developer to find the differences between versions and perform complete rollbacks to a previous version, all without placing any extra overhead on the Notes application. The process is simple. Each time a design element is saved, a backup copy is stored in the Undo system. If there is a need to recover from a previous version, simply click the Undo icon in the toolbar. You will be presented with a list of all previous design element versions where you can select the instance to revert to. If Teamstudio Delta is also installed, the Undo application is extended even further with the ability to see the differences between the current version and a selected previous version of the design element, all within the Undo application window. With Teamstudio Undo, you will never need to worry about retrieving and rolling back to previous versions of your design changes ever again.